Hi, good evening, friends. Welcome. I'm Kumar here from Green Traders. Today, I'm making video on few of stock which are shortlisted for the coming weeks, where possible breakdown or breakup may which may occur. So, we'll one by one check out what are the levels of these stocks. Okay. So, the first stock is, you can see, it's Torrent Power. As you can see, Torrent Power is in the uptrend from past almost from 15 days, and see, as you can see, there is a range found over here. So on Monday or the coming week, Torrent Palm may perform well, provided if the market is good. Okay, so always keeping whatever the levels I'll be suggesting in this video, always keeping the one thing in the mind. You have to see the market direction, then only you have to trade my all this like all these suggestions. Okay, and the first stock is Torrent Power. So as you can see, I've given buy above 329. If Torrent Power breaks and sustains above 329, you can buy uh, Torrent Power for target of 330. Okay, 330, no, not 330, for a target up to 337. 337. And if Torrent Power, if the market is negative, and if Torrent Power breaks down, and if it trades below 325, you can short Torrent Power for a target of 323 and 320 respectively. Okay, so we'll go to the next stock. It is Balkrishna Industries. As you can see, Balkrishna Industry also is in a good bullish move from past 2 to 3 days. 2 to 3 days, and it is broken the upper circuit the last trading session. So if this stock Balkrishna Industries sustains above 1330, you can buy Balkrishna Industries above 1330. And if the market is negative and if the stock is reversing from here, and you can sell Balkrishna Industries below 1305 for a target of 1280 and 10. Okay, and the next stock is Amaraj Battery. Amaraj Battery is also the stock is very strong, and it's bullish from past couple of days, and we have to see if in coming weeks, if it sustains above 715 or 719, 719. Okay, if it sustains above this point, you can buy Amaraj Battery for a target of 725 and 730 respectively. And if the market is weak, and watch out, if it is Amaraj Battery is reversing from this 730 in point, you can sell Amaraj Battery below 710 for a target of 705 for the final target. Okay, and the next stock is HCL Tech. As you can see, for our last couple of weeks, the IT stocks are performing really good. So as you can see, it is also trading in range for past 4 to 5 days. And Monday, if the market is up and bullish, you can buy HCL Tech above 717 for a target of 723 and 728 respectively. And if market is negative and HCL Tech breaks this 695 support, you can sell HCL Tech below 694 for a target of up to 680. Okay, so now the next stock is Godrej CP. It's also in a good bullish move from past couple of days, and watch out if the market is good, and if the stock sustains above 699, so you can buy this stock for the target of up to 705 for the first target. Okay, 705 and 720 respectively in the coming days. And if the market is negative again, you can short Godrej CP below 690 for the target of up to 683. Okay, and the next stock is Tech Mahindra. Tech Mahindra, all the IT stocks are having a good move from the last couple of days and the last week, entire week. So if this breaks out 695, you can buy Tech Mahindra for up to a target of 710. And similarly, if this breaks 669 support, you can short Tech Mahindra for up to a target of 3. And the next stock is Wipro. Wipro, as you can see, it's in the resistance area, and if this sustains above 285, you can buy Wipro up to a target of 293. And again, if it doesn't sustain this resistance area on the buy side, and if it's starting reversing from this point, you can sell Wipro from 281 up to a target of 276 and 274. Okay, and the final stock is Britannia. Britannia, if you can see, there is a channel, it is trading in between the channel. you have, if you are going to buy Britannia and if the market is good, Britannia has to cross this channel and trade above this 2900, sorry, above 3900. Okay, this is not 3010, this is 3910, 3910. Okay, I've just edit this. This is by about 3910. Okay, and similarly, if it doesn't sustain this channel, above this channel, and it start reversing from this point, you can sell a Britannia below 3890. Okay, 3890 for up to a target of 3850, and the final target is 3820, and for the buyer side it may go up to 3980. Okay, 980, another 80 points from here. So that's it, guys. These are the possible breakdown and breakup stocks which I have shortlisted for this coming weeks. So anyone, friends out there who want to learn my price action strategy, who want to predict the market the similar way how I'm doing right now, they can join my paid weekend price action classes on which I conduct on weekends, which I charge bare minimum of 10,000 for basics and advanced. It would be a 2 months class for around 16 classes on weekends. So they can join my paid classes, and friends so who want to see my strategies and my free calls, they can join my Telegram channel, from where from past 2 years I'm giving free calls on that channel, and a few of my strategy screenshots also I've shared over there. Okay, and people, friends, you can join my subscribe my YouTube channel, where you will be finding this kind of videos where it would be useful for you guys to trade, you can to analyze the stocks. Okay, so that's it, guys. Have a great weekend, and hopefully next week would be a profitable week for you all. Thank you. Bye.